Hi guys, so I love making TikTok dances, and when making TikTok dance video you need to edit them, and for that you need a good editing app like LumaFusion. So here's a tutorial of how I edited my dance video. So you pick the video you want, you click on it, and then you drag it onto the blue part. And then I'm gonna tutorial on a last part where I just like, you see there's black things like closing. I'm gonna do a tutorial on that. So you see there's a plus in a circle, you click on that. And then you see there's transitions, you click on that. And then you click on the purple thing like next to the blue, your video, you click on that, and then click on the star, which is like in the book, like there is a star in the book. See here, there's like a lot of transition, which is like the best. This is like so good. So I did a tutorial on the wipe down. You click on your wipe down, and then this is how it looks like. You see, just like wipe down. And I'm gonna do one more. So click on the plus in the circle again, and then transition, and then on the purple thing, and then click on the star in the book. And then I'm gonna do the swipe down left one, which is look like this. You see, it just went to the left. It's so cool, and you can use this like effects in so much things. I'm gonna do one more thing. Click on the plus and then transition, and then click on the star in the book. I'm gonna do the swipe up onto the left, onto the right, on the top, which looks like this. You see, just the video just went up, and I love that so much because I love using this kind of effects. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you're a person like me that loves to just do TikTok dances or anything else, just download LumaFusion and it helps a lot. Okay, it helps a lot, and have a good day or night. Bye.